Life begins with a single cell. Within this tiny unit lies the blueprint for all living things, DNA. DNA holds the instructions for creating life, but it's the proteins that animate these instructions. Think of proteins as the diligent workers carrying out the blueprint's tasks. But what enables these proteins to perform their tasks accurately? Enter glycans. These sophisticated carbohydrate chains sit atop proteins, relaying essential messages and guiding cellular functions. Glycans are fundamental. They provide energy, support DNA structure, shape and direct proteins, and play a crucial role in cellular communication. At Manatech, we recognize the transformative power of glycans. Our philosophy, Glycans Are Life, is built on the belief that when cells communicate and function properly, every aspect of health improves. Our approach to health is rooted in science, ensuring that your cells function correctly. When your cells are healthy, so are you. Experience the Manatech difference. Let glycans unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Manatech. Glycans Are Life.